Hey guys, we got this knife trio from Material. This is a carbon stainless steel Japanese chef's knife for chopping and cutting. A very razor sharp, strong blade. So first impression of packing, very nice packing, very nice gift box. So this is a very perfect thing to gift to someone, and you can see the packing, how they made very precisely the things. This is the small knife and then the big box, then individual boxes for each knife, and then the individual knife packing. So the packing itself is very premium packing, and it gives a really nice premium look as well. And also the knife itself looks really handy and with a premium stainless steel. So very sharp blades. These are three different sizes of the knife here. So the small knife is the 4 inches, the serrated one is the 6 inches like this one, and then the bigger one is the 8 inches knife. So the serrated one, here you can see like to cut the cheese or stuff that you want, and you can see like the blades itself. This is the protective thing so that it will not just cut your hand. And this is the biggest knife of 8-inch knife. And then you can see like the packing itself have this logo of materials, and then the knife have this specific cover and then protective thing. See like all these protective things with the corners, everything is taken care, very precise packing, very precise blades, and also like very nice to hold. It's not that heavy, so it's pretty much you can do a lot of work with it. And then you can see like the cuts and the sharpness of the material here. So they are very effective blades and very simple and beautiful.
Let's go and try this. So these are all the three combo. So first I will show with all the cover. So how nice this look with their cover and stuff. So just take me out all this protective covering, and I will just start washing them and then do some cutting. So here I'm just trying to show with a big knife, and you can see like it's cut very smoothly. There is no issue with the cutting here, and you can see also the precise cut. So this is a nice like handle, and it's very lightweight and easy to do that. This is the serrated one, and I'm just trying to cut it with this. So you can see without any much efforts it is cutting, and I'm cutting on the sides also. But be careful, like they are really very sharp knife. And you can see like all these small pieces you can cut from here. So this is the paring knife, like the small one, and you can just cut all the details things from here. So this knives are I will say my impression is good on them, as the material is good, packaging of course as a gift is very good, the quality is good, cleaning and using is pretty straightforward and easy. And also you can also have a sharpener like the knife sharpener to sharpen them, and they have a nice blade and the power. So you can see like how smoothly it is cutting and without any much efforts, and then precise cuts here. So overall my impression is good for these knives, and they are durable and long lasting knives, and you can do all your cutting and chopping and all your different purposes with these knives.